फ्रेंड्स, प्रमोशन एग्जाम में अ मेजर पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस आरबीआई डायरेक्शंस पर ही बेस्ड होता है।
So, in this series of short videos, we are sharing 100 FAQs on RBI directions of 2025. This is 11th part.
और अगर आपने प्रीवियस पार्ट्स नहीं देखे हैं, यू मस्ट डू।
And if you want regular updates तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें and click the bell icon as well. So let us start with the questions.
पहला सवाल है कि हाउ डज दी सेटलमेंट ऑन रियलाइजेशन प्रोसेस वर्क अंडर कंटिन्यूअस क्लियरिंग एंड सेटलमेंट ऑन रियलाइजेशन इन सीटीएस, particularly the accounting entries for presentation and settlement timing based on confirmations.
इसका जवाब है no accounting entries मतलब settlement will be posted for presentation of checks. Settlement will be arrived every hour starting from 11 a.m. till the end of confirmation session.
ठीक है। According to PMSV and Nidhi, for street vendors, Guidelines 2025, what are the revised loan amounts approved for the second tranches of the scheme?
The amount of loan for second tranche increased from 20,000 rupees to 25,000 rupees.
अगला सवाल, what change has been implemented under the Implementation of Banking Laws Amendment Act 2025 regarding the maximum continuous tenure for directors in cooperative banks?
The maximum tenure for directors in cooperative banks, excluding the chairperson and whole-time directors, has been increased from 8 years to 10 years.
According to Depositor Education and Awareness, जिसे DEA Fund Scheme भी कहते हैं, when and how are banks required to transfer the unclaimed amount along with accrued interest on interest-bearing accounts to the DEA fund?
A bank shall transfer the amounts becoming due in each calendar month with the interest accrued during the last 5 working days of the subsequent month.
और अब आखिरी सवाल, what is the maximum tenure stipulated for consumption bullet repayment loans under the Reserve Bank of India's Lending Against Gold and Silver Collateral Directions 2025?
The maximum tenor of consumption bullet repayment loans is 12 months. Friends, पिछले 30 सालों में 10 लाख से ज़्यादा बैंकर्स ने हमारे वीडियो लेसन्स और पीडीएफ मटेरियल अपने JAIB, CAIB और प्रमोशन एग्जाम पास करने में यूज़ किए हैं।
And to help you, हम YouTube पर फ्री क्लासेस कंडक्ट करते हैं जो बेसिक्स बिल्ड करने में हेल्प करती हैं।
But if you really want to improve your chances of passing the exam in a single attempt, तो हमारा updated content use करें and log in the courses page of our website nstourschoolofbanking.com.
तो चलिए